I'll cut one more. I'll come and put it here. Then I'll sit down. Okay? Action from there to here. This one will go here. Right there. This one's good. Right there. I'll have to make another one on this side. It moves. A little smaller, one size bigger. Come over here, Tia. Look at the bench. Look, folks, this is I'm gonna put this bench when I fix the view, and I'll put this bench there. I could have went a little straighter right here. It beveled right there, so but it'll work. And this one's tight. You just want to have it right. This one's a little bit not good. You can put a wedge in there. I'll make another one. There'll be my bench. Right there, yeah. See, that's has to fit right perfect. I'll cut another one, and this bench will go up there. You can do this outside your house by your campfire. Just watch the saw. It could jump up on you. You gotta be professional. Kinda. Alright. Yeah, we'll put this up there. Okay, ready to go.
Yeah.
Film me.
I am.
It's heavy, man. Willpower. Watch out. Walk up there. Just this tree to take out. All right. Just that tree to take out. Have a good view that way. The view is good this way. You can see moose camp now. A bear ripped our plywood. It got wet and swelled up, and he just peeled it off. Easy with those air nails. Those air nails just shot right through mostly. Yep, we're almost done here. That one up and put it on our bench. Could have went a little straighter on this end, but it'll work. Bush bench. Hello folks, we got the view fixed up and the cabin boarded back up, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I hope this video is educational. Thank you. There's the view. In the view of the cabin. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. We got one more tree to cut. We'll cut that later. We'll cut that one later. Yeah. I hope this video was educational again. Thank you. Goodbye.
I didn't think I was a bad guy. I knew that you were good. You were golden on the inside, and you loved me the best you could. I'm the one that dropped the ball, got too high and let you fall. Let the best thing I ever had slip away. And what does that say about me? I could do you like I did, that I could break an angel's wing. What does that say about me? That I stood there like a fence post as you drove off in your car. And what does that say about me now that I've broke your pretty heart? Your pretty heart. I've been drinking like a drunkard in these Austin neon lights, burning smokes and wondering if there's anything I've done right. Well, I wish that I could go back, hang on to what I had. Guess it's all, babe, nothing but a dream. And what does that say about me? I could do you like I did, that I could break an angel's wing. What does that say about me? That I stood there like a fence post as you drove off in your car. And what does that say about me now that I've broke your pretty heart? Your pretty heart. And what does that say could do you like I did, that I could break an angel's wing. What does that say about me? And I stood there like a fence post as you drove off in your car. And what does that say about me now that I've broke your pretty heart? Your pretty heart. Your pretty heart. Your pretty heart.
The view is good now. Look at the view.